So I'm going to do removing upper ball joint and lower ball joint and put the ball joints in. Okay, so basically this will apply to mostly Toyota pickup truck, or Toyota Tundra, Toyota Tacoma, 4runner, any of those. And this is a four-wheel drive. Okay, so this one had a lot of rust, and the cotter pin up here and this thing here is pretty much is rusted, and if I can't take it out, I have to force it. Sounds like it won't come off. Okay, what I have to do is I'm going to damage this thing. There. I'll take these wheel sensors out. So the bottom here is holding by 4 bolts, and I already took those 4 bolts out, removing this bolt right here, and you can see that my lower ball joint here pretty much is very bad up already. There's one more right here, and pretty much it's pretty rusted, so I don't know that it will come off, but if it doesn't lose, then I'll probably break it, because all this is rusted. Nope, it doesn't. I'll probably break it. Nope, that is bad. I hate when rust. You have to be extra good for rust. Rust. So rusty. Have to play around to get this sensor out. If I don't be careful enough, I can break this sensor, then I'm in trouble. There, stuck in here. So as I take this out, I will take the caliper bolts out and put the calipers away. Now this thing's free. Go to hammer this. I can press, but I don't. So I'm going to just hammer it. It should come off. Okay, that's it. Down here is so rust, I couldn't take the pins out either. There. Terrible. And the bottom one pretty much is rusted. This one's very rust, so I'm not sure this pin can come out. see. Okay, like that, and pull there. So that's come up, and let me impact that. So on this one, I don't want to hammer it, but I'm going to use this ball joint press. There, come out easily. This one right here, you can hammer it or you can press out. There, easy. I'm going to put the new ones in, and this nut does not have the locking pin no more. Okay. Need to take this out. Just break this out. Don't need it. But the new one have a tie already. See how loose it is? So there's a pin right here. Just take down the pin out. And also the new one had the new clip too. There. Okay. As soon as you take the clips out, you don't need to press or anything because this is going to damage anyway. Hammer it. There. Simple, easy. Just a couple hammering that will come out. You can clean out if it's so rust. Just sand a little bit those rust out, and then put the new ones in. Okay. And this one's pretty clean, so let's just wipe it out real good. I'm going to press the new ones in. Make sure file all the rust on both sides. So when the ball joint sit on it, it will sit all the way to the metal, so it won't have any gap. So you can put the rings in and the ring will sit right in. Okay. So the new ball joint come with the pin and all the extra stuff in there. When you're renting, they have all of this for you at the auto part. It's a little bit expensive though. It's about $150 for renting, but you will get your money back when you're done. Return it to them. Alright, so that will be going in like this. Put that on behind like that, and slowly squeeze. Okay, so I'm going to use impact. So impact works faster for me. I'm going to put the new ring. Okay, the new ring is set on. So I have little grease only, so I'm going to put some more to it. They don't supply grease on this auto part, but I'm going to add more grease to it on the safe side. Here goes my apply this nose. Make sure it sit in there. And then it's applied with this clamp right here. So I'm going to put this clamps in. Okay. Make sure they're sitting in like that. Okay. Put the new axle. So make sure you jack the bottom so it can rise up, and then you pull down right here. There. Now the castle nut is secure, and then you can tighten it up. Okay. They did provide with the new pin, so just lock it in with the new pins on. So for some people they bend both, but for me I only bend one, so leave one straight like that. And the rest is easy. You can do it yourself. I don't have to show you no more.